Hi, today we are going to present Object-Oriented Programming Project. Our project title is Coffee Stock Management System.
Hi, I am Nurudayana Batisha binti Nawi Elai Sahwi.
Hai, saya Nur Rafika Fina binti Muhammad Fazli.
Hi, my name is Nur Ain binti Ahmad Kamal.
Hi, my name is Shalini.
Hello, I am Izin Nafisa binti.
Group member name Shalini APROK Semi. Task division Coffee Manager Java. GUI Java. Coffee Dialog Java. Nur Ain binti Ahmad Kamal. Mainframe Java. Manage Coffee Dialog Java. Nur Hafika Fina binti Muhammad Fazli. View all Coffee Dialog Java. Coffee Manager Java. Nur Dayana Batrisha binti Nawi Aswi. Coffee Manager Dialog Java. Coffee SQL. Izan Amfisha binti Rosli. Coffee Java. Manage Coffee Dialog Java.
Introduction. Coffee Stock Management System (CSMS) is a system that allows users to store the necessary information of coffee stocks in a coffee store. This system is developed as an exchange for the manual filling system and also reducing data redundancy. There will be problems in keeping track of the actual amount of available coffee stocks in the record. Therefore, to reduce and avoid problems like this, CSMS provides an efficient coffee stock management function by recording the coffee stocks details which can be quickly retrieved. Next.
Next, project description. Coffee Stock Management System (CSMS) will offer its users to store and view the coffee stocks in the store. All kinds of coffees will be stored in the coffee store. The users can add the coffee details such as name, price, quantity, and the description about it. The users can delete and update the stock details by searching for the details by its ID. They can also view the coffee quantities in the store by its coffee name to add stock if it is lacking. This system helps the user to keep track of the current stock and maintain a smooth workplace.
The modules that are to be developed for this system are as follows: add, update, delete, search, view. The users targeted for this system are mainly staff of a coffee store. Objective of our system are to develop and design an online coffee stock management system (CSMS) to aid in information storing using a more efficient and systematic way, to widen the use of IT in the business field.
Project constraints. In this mini project, there is a project constraint which is a database error. We have an output but cannot enter information into the output. An error occurred will we want to enter information into the output.
Project demonstration. Coffee Stock Management System (CSMS).
In this diagram, we have coffee. So coffee ID is INT, coffee string, coffee price INT, coffee quantity INT, description string. Get coffee use INT, set coffee ID INT, void. Get coffee name string, set coffee name string, void. Get coffee price use INT, set coffee price INT, void. Get coffee quantity INT, set coffee quantity INT, void. Get description string, set description string, void. And it's related with coffee manager. Coffee's vector, add coffee INT, delete coffee INT, update coffee INT, get coffee vector. It's related to coffee manager dialog. Button add coffee, J button, button manage coffee, J button, button view coffee, Quant J button, action perform action event void, and is related with mainframe use interface. Button login J button, action perform action event void main.
Coffee Manager dialog related to Manager Coffee dialog. Text name, J text field, text price, J text field, button delete, J button, button search, J button, button update, J button, button reset, J button, text quantity, J text field, text description, J text field, text ID, J text field, action perform, action event, void. View all coffee dialog. Table coffee, J table, action perform, action event, void. For add coffee dialog, text name, J text field, text price, J text field, text quantity, J text field, text description, J text field, button submit, J button, button reset, J button, action perform, action event, void.
Demo of the output.
Welcome to Coffee Management System. There is three functions to select for a user. First is add a coffee, second is manage coffee, third is view coffee quantity. First is add a coffee. We can include a coffee name, a coffee price, and a coffee quantity that we want to store in the system. Then, if the user have any discussion, they can mention at that. After mention, the user can submit. If the user press the reset button, the information will be reset again. If the user press the submit button, the information will stored in the system. Next, manage coffee. User can input the ID, name, price of the coffee, quantity, and also the description. There is 4 buttons that which is search, delete, update, and also reset. If we press search, the information that user input will be searched in the system. The button for the delete is the information that user input will be deleted in the system. Next is update. Update coffee information. User can update information about the coffee. The last one is reset. Reset is if the user input wrong information, the user can reset it again. But we couldn't input the details because of the database error. Third option for a user is view coffee quantities. The user can view all the coffee details at there, but we couldn't fix the database error, so that we couldn't get the output completely.
So this is the system output. There is 3 options in this system, which is add coffee, manage coffee, and view coffee quantity. Next. This screen will display to add coffee, which is add coffee name, price, quantity, and description. This screen will display to manage coffee, ID, name, price, quantity, and description. This screen will display to view coffee.